should I keep myself towards technical project manager or move to towards agile project manager or program manager? Yeah. I think towards technicals, we may get more package. Yeah, possibly, yes. So see, what I possibly say here is it depends upon where you enjoy more. Now, somebody will say, "Oh, that's a theoretical thing. Don't tell us." Yeah, we enjoy wherever we get the money. The idea here is any job will require a time and focus investment, and especially if you want to specialize in it, you want to really excel in it, it will require investment, time investment. And when you have to invest your time, when you have interest matching with the thing which you are doing, it becomes easier to invest time, and that grows your career. That's the whole idea. It's not theoretically, what you enjoy more, because when you enjoy something more, you will be able to learn it more. That's the whole idea. Now, in general, I personally do see at a mid level, the technical skills may give you more rewarding career as of now when it comes to money, because at that level, those kind of a specializations are not that much in market, because people tend to move out from technology after a while, because it is usually for those people who moved out, it was becoming too difficult to keep up to dated with the technology, so they decided to move out. Now, people who are enjoying those kind of a technological frequent changes, and they can remain updated with it, may end up earning more money as well. So it depends. If you can handle that, it might be a good idea. Now, over the project management or any management, organizations usually look that management job as an overhead job. So, if the developer can end up doing whatever they are expected to do, why do we need a manager? Yeah, we just need a manager because we are coordinating, collaborating, miscommunications are getting resolved and taking them towards the common goal. If they can do it on their own, then this whole thing is not needed. So good amount of management theories are trying to make those engineers do the right job, so that they have a less and less need for the management. So that's the another challenge when it comes to a management area. Now, what is a plus side for management space? I would say there will be a kind of a bottleneck after some time. You have a lot of mid managers, but from mid managers to senior management, the cone becomes little like sharp. So not everyone reaches to the senior management level and further forward. So if you get into a project and program management space, you need to do very exceptionally well in order to move further from a mid management level. So going till mid management is okay, but after that, in my view, again, you can do your own research as well, but after the mid management space, there will be a blockage, and then a lot of soft skills, leadership skills, ability to influence, and a lot of other people oriented stuff is need to be done in order to move next. So see where you want to invest more time and energy, because time and energy is anyway needed in both the profile if you want to take it to the next level.